morning. So we're back here at Stillwell Woods Preserve to take a look at my friend's 2019 Santa Cruz Hightower LTC. It comes with Fox 36 float performance with 150 mm travel. And at the rear, it has Fox float performance DPS with 150 mm. This has race face AR rims wrapped with Minion DHR2 both front and rear. SRAM GX group set, a comfortable WTB Silverado saddle, and a RockShox Reverb Stealth dropper post. SRAM Code R brakes. The bike is basically stock. We just added some EMS frame protection and the synchro fender. It has BPP suspension, and yeah, come ride with me and let's see how it feels on the trail. We're here at Stillwell Woods to take a look at my friend Santa Cruz Hightower LTC. It has Fox 36 150 mm travel at front and 150 at the back. It has SRAM Code R brakes, and it's so poppy. Woo. This is Santa Cruz do-it-all mountain bike. It's their own mountain slash trail. And I think they outdid themselves with this one. Even with its 29er wheels, it corners well and it's very reactive. Very playful too. I'm still surprised how well it corners. It's awesome. This bike is so nice. I had to try it on my favorite section. Let's get it. Whew, that section's so good. I had to session it.
Another one.
Alright, I'm having fun with this bike. I really like it. The only downside that I see is you can't put water bottle, like regular size water bottle. I switched to my small one so I could fit it. Yeah, so that's the downside that I see. And coming from enduro bike, it's all positive for me. Brakes are really good. The GX never fails. The DHR is so grippy, it corners well, and it's fast rolling. Oh yeah, so we put fork protection, AMS also, and yeah, this bike is awesome. See how playful this bike is? Personally, I'm a 27.5 rider, but 29er is growing on me. Alright, let's see how playful it is. Nice, nice. So yeah, I tried my Norco fluid FS here before, and this Hightower is on another league.
And compared to all the bikes that I've used here, to me, this is the ultimate trail bike.
Drop,
You can throw anything at it
drop it in.
and it will be capable.
Alright.
It is very efficient in climbing, and I didn't feel any pedal bob, which is great. I can't believe that the 29er is this fun. I can't stop playing with it.
Alright, all in all, I enjoy riding this bike, and I think that's the most important thing, that you're having fun with the bike. Climbing, it's good. 29er wheels help a lot. I didn't feel any pedal bob. For downhill, 150 travel is more than enough for our local trails.
And as for my first impression, this bike is amazing. This bike is super capable. You can throw anything at it, either climbing or downhill. For sure you can have fun with this bike. And I think if I didn't have a bike of my own, I probably would consider getting one. And again, thank you for watching. See you on the next trail.